Student, number D, give one word for the following. Okay. For the following. Student, in here you have to one word, that is one word for the following. Means student, यहाँ देखो one word में ऐसा आता है. Student, first number, flakes of solid water falling from clouds, that is called snow. Number 2, change of water into vapor by the action of heat. Okay, so student, change of water into water vapor, that is process condensed evaporation. Okay, evaporation process. Number 3, gaseous form of water, that is vapors. Okay. Number 4, continuous evaporation and condensation of water in nature, that is water cycle. Condition caused by excess of rain in a region, that is flood. Okay, student, next number. Now we come number E, imaginary column. Column 1, column 2. Okay. First, ground. 2, groundwater. 3rd, transpiration. 4th, evaporation. 5th, clouds. In here, water from the ground. B, loss of water by plants. Okay, student, B. Then C, conversion of water into vapor. Number D, collection of tiny water. Droplet. E, lake of rain. Okay, so student, drought, that is lake of rain. Okay, and to ground water from the ground. Okay. And third, transpiration, loss of water by plant. Okay. Evaporation, conversion of water into vapor. And last one, clouds, collection of tiny droplets. Okay. Next number, very short answer type questions. So student, you have to do match the column properly. Next, now come very short answer type question. Number one, define evaporation. What is evaporation? The process of conversion of liquid water into water vapor. It's called evaporation. Number two, what is a cloud? So, cloud is a collection of tiny water droplets from when water vapor cools and condenses on the dust particles. Okay. So, cloud is a collection of tiny water droplets formed when water vapor cools and condenses on dust particles. Okay, this is called clouds. Okay, clouds is a collection of tiny water droplets formed when water vapor cools and condenses on dust particles. Okay, next number three. Name one method of conservation of water. Student, conservation of water, that is rainwater harvesting. Okay. Student, next number four. Name some places which are affected by drought. Okay, so northwestern parts of Rajasthan, central part of peninsular plateau, and southern UP, Uttar Pradesh, and some parts of Andhra Pradesh. Next, number 6. How many liters of water are required to grow 1 kg of maize? Okay, student, about 600 liters of water is required. Okay, number 6. 600. Okay. Next, okay, student. Now we come number G, short answer type questions. Short answer type question. First number, what is the importance of water cycle? Okay, so student, what is the importance of water cycle? Some points here. Water cycle helps in replenishing water sources, and number 2, it maintains global climate. Okay, student, देखो ये global climate को maintain करता है. Second, water cycle helps in reply, जो उसको फिर से वो वाटर सोर्स को लाता है. ठीक है. नंबर 3, इट हेल्प्स इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करता है. नंबर 4, इट हेल्प्स इन ब्रिंगिंग रेन. ठीक है, एक फिर से बारिश लाता है. एंड नंबर 5, इट मेंटेन्स रेगुलर सप्लाई ऑफ वाटर ऑन लैंड. ओके. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 2, water is the need of water conversion, okay? Consumption. Okay, so student, conservation of water is necessary because it is necessary in day-to-day life process. Okay, water is necessary for day-to-day in our day-to-day life process. Okay, next point you have to write the conservation of water necessary, how to conservation we can have conservations, and also next point, it helps in the irrigation purposes. Okay, we can cultivate some areas or some of different type of crops, so it needs more water. Okay, so helps in the irrigation purposes. Next point, it helps in the industrial purposes. Okay, so student, if some industries that need water, they convert the raw material into a useful product, they can make by use the water. Okay, and it helps in the transportation. Okay, Water also help for transportation from countries to one country to another countries. They take some goods from one country to another country, and also we take one state to another state by the transport of water transport. Okay, ship. Okay, boat. So it helps in the transportation, and it helpful for aquatic life. Okay, water is necessary for aquatic animals like fish, crabs, and other animals that need more water. Okay, so water, if water is not conserved and get finished, then the survival of life on earth will be like impossible or very difficult. Okay. Next, number 3. Name the various sources of water. Okay. So, student, the main sources of water are surface water and groundwater. Okay. The surface water is further divided into rainwater, lake water, river water or sea water, and the groundwater divided into well water or spring water. Okay. Student, number 8, what is surface runoff harvesting? Okay. So student, number 4, you have to do yourself. How will you so that rainwater does not contain any impurities but well water contain them? So student, this is lab activity. You will follow page number 140. Okay, lab activity 140. Okay, in lab activity, procedure and conclusion. Okay, to show that when water does not contain any dissolved impurities but well water contain them. So you have to write first procedure and second one observation. Okay, you can follow page number 140. Okay, next number 8. What is surface runoff harvesting? Okay, surface runoff harvesting is a way to harvest rainwater, which is generally used in urban areas. In this process, okay, and rainwater which falls on the surface flows away into the drains through pipes and reaches into the ground to help in the increasing the groundwater level. Okay. Okay, student. Okay, student. Long answer type questions you have to do yourself because these questions are very longer. So you have to do, and some of the diagram you can use. Okay. So what is water cycle? Describe with the help of a diagram. Okay. So student, diagram in here not possible. So first you have to write definition of water cycle. Okay. So water cycle is the circulation of water from the earth surface to the atmosphere and then back to earth. Okay. In this process, the change of water from one state to another takes place all the time. Okay. So it involves the evaporation of water from the water bodies due to heat of sun or due to vapor. Okay. So due to process of transpiration which rises of a water vapor. Okay. And these vapors then cool down and form clouds in the upper regions of atmosphere and further move up cooling to each other due to the process of condensation forming a bigger cloud. Okay. And then at last precipitation takes place, that is rain falls down. Okay. Next student, number 2, what are clouds? Explain their formations. So student, clouds are the collection of the water drops. These are formed during water cycle when the heat of sun evaporate the water from the water bodies and convert into the vapors. Then these water vapors cool down on rising high and condense with dust particles present in the air. Okay. As a result of this process, the clouds are formed. Number third, what is drought? What are its causes and impact? So drought is a condition when there is a lack of water due to no rain. Okay, and it is causes due to climatic conditions and also due to the disturbance created by human activities. Impact. What is the impact? That its impact brings the failure of crops, shortage of water, and further brings a great misery to people and animals. The economically stability of a region is also second, and the people become weak both physically and psychologically. Okay. Number 4, what is water pollution? Also explain how can we conserve water. Okay. So water pollution, we can conserve water by, so first you have to write the definition of water pollution. The pollution of water due to garbage and harmful chemicals, contaminants that make the water unfit for drinking is called water pollution. Okay. So first, do not keep tap water running. So you have to follow conservation by some of the process how we can conserve water pollution. Okay. So do not keep tap water running. Okay. And use bucket and mop instead of shower, and plant more and more trees. Okay. And spread awareness about water conservation, reduce water pollution, harvesting rain water. Okay. So all this about your chapter number 15, water and its importance. Okay. That complete. Next we will also. So student, this is your last chapter. Okay. So you have to do properly all these questions answers. Okay. Properly. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.